Hello. I am Mangjima. Welcome to a new series of tutorial. Here I will provide end-to-end overview of one of the most popular IAC tools. Terraform. Starting from scratch, a common question that arises is, what is Terraform? Let's explore this powerful tool and understand with lab and practical demo, how it simplifies and manages infrastructure and fits into the IAC framework. In one word, Terraform is an IAC tool used to set up, update, destroy and track versions of cloud resources. Terraform using the code in simple, safe and efficient way. How Terraform works. Terraform create, modify and delete resources on cloud platform by interacting with its powerful APIs. Thousands of Terraform providers, written by HashiCorp developers, interact with many cloud providers to create and manage different types of resources. A Terraform provider is a plugin that lets Terraform interact with specific cloud platforms, services, or APIs, enabling the creation and management of their resources. The lists of providers are available on Terraform registry. You can check and just use it easily as per your requirement. Moving to the core Terraform workflow. Typical Terraform workflow consists of 4 stages. 1. Terraform init, 2. Terraform plan, 3. Terraform apply and 4. Terraform destroy. Now giving an overview of each stages. Terraform init. This is the first stage, to initialize a Terraform setup for a project. In background, it's simply downloading the necessary plugins and setting up the files. Terraform needs to work with the respective cloud infrastructure. Terraform plan, here, Terraform creates an execution plan, and show the future infrastructure look like. Whether it will create, update, or destroy based on your defined configuration. Terraform apply, this is one of the most important stage in Terraform workflow. With initiate this command, Terraform makes the appropriate changes to your setup, step by step and after maintain all the dependencies. This command has 2 variants, 1. Terraform apply, and 2nd, Terraform apply auto approve, which is, automatically applies the plan changes to your infrastructure without asking for manual confirmation, saving time during execution, where Terraform apply applies the plan changes to the infrastructure, waits for manual confirmation, ensuring you review the changes. The same concept applies for Terraform destroy, and Terraform destroy auto approve, to undo all the execution, with Terraform apply.